Sending out an SOS. Sending out an SOS. Hello students, today we are at Jones Beach State Park and we are going on a nature walk. Let's see what we can find. Good old Jones Beach pencil. Looks like a horseshoe crab. I don't know if he's alive. Looks like he's not moving. What would make us realize that this organism's alive? Maybe he's sleeping. All right, let's leave him alone. Beautiful. So it looks like we have some sort of yellow flower here. Maybe you could tell me what the species is. We also have some, looks like some sort of berry plant. I don't know. Do you think we should eat these? I'll stick to the supermarket. Looks like some sort of cactus or maybe a pear. I don't quite know what this is. Maybe you guys could tell me. Can a cactus grow on the beach? Again, everybody, when we get to a low tide, we'll be able to walk right out to where all this water is covering the sand. Just wonderful to notice too, we have some sort of aquatic plant growing out of the sand. Looks like some sort of seagull. Oh my God. Is it alive? Is it alive? Is it alive? Let's see. So clearly this is a horseshoe crab. Let's see. Ah, no. Yeah, I'm sorry, people. I don't think this one's living. Looks like an adult, though. Hopefully he lived his whole life out. Well, let's keep moving. Look at this, everybody. They look like baby horseshoe crabs. I don't see many horseshoe crabs that are alive here. This was clearly a baby. Maybe there's a reason they're not surviving. So as I'm walking around, I can't help but notice there's a lot of evidence of pollution. Let's see here. It looks like there's some sort of doll. All these different plastics. Looks like some sort of fork. But again, there's a lot of items here that do not naturally occur in our environment, right? So you have to think of how is this pollution affecting our aquatic wildlife? How can that harm the animals? We have a bottle right here, a big plastic bottle, some bottle caps, more plastic here, another little plastic bag. So this is all pollution pollution that's washing up on shore. There they are. Let's see if we can get close. With some white dots on them. And now it looks like there's another species of seagull. Let's see if we can get closer. Right there. That one's all white, and they look a little bigger. Let's see how close we can get. This whole area behind us, when it's low tide, we'll actually be able to walk out onto the sand, and maybe we'll encounter some different plants or animal species. So again, we're at high tide today. When it's low tide, we'll be able to walk right onto the sand over here. Some other issues of high tide, I can't seem to get to the parking lot, so we'll have to walk around this area. So everybody, just a fun fact on geese. Geese actually mate for life. So when you see a flock of geese, try to count how many geese there are. There should be an even number for male and female. All right, if there's an odd number, maybe one of the males or female passed away. All right, looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then there's 12 right there. So it looks like all the couples are accounted for. Okay, and they're just relaxing here, but again, be aware of that. There should be an even number. Okay, if you have an odd number of the geese, again, something could have happened to its mate. All right, so I just I want to see how close I can get to these geese. Let's see how close we can get. We're walking with them, we're walking with them. I believe there's more over there too. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It looks like there could be one missing. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And it looks like there's 17 geese here. Something could have happened to one of these creatures' mate. We don't have an even number of geese. Looks like we got some more of those seagulls over there. Remember, 2 different species of seagull. Hope you enjoyed the nature walk. My biggest observation that I saw today was, we definitely saw a lot of animals, definitely saw a lot of plant life. We saw some dead horseshoe crabs. Maybe we could figure out a reason why those horseshoe crabs died. There was a lot of pollution on the beach. A lot of plastic and materials that naturally are not in the environment. So I want you to think about how you could limit the amount of pollution that could be affecting our aquatic ecosystems. Along with that, think of all the vocabulary that we've been learning and relate it to what you just watched. We've discussed biotic factors, abiotic factors. Did you see any of those? Were there any autotrophic organisms? Were there heterotrophic organisms? Relate the idea of the ecosystems and our food webs too, right? What did we see in terms of evidence of some sort of hierarchy of a food web and an energy pyramid? So what organisms did you see, and where can they fall in that energy pyramid or food web? But again, think of that pollution, think of the plastic, and how you can limit that. Don't forget to study, and I hope you enjoyed that video.